Popularizing dancehall entertainer Medikk gone missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 29-year-old Stephany Williams, otherwise called Medikk, of Mayfair Red Hills Road in St. Andrew, has been missing since Thursday, August 24th. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 169 centimeters or 5 feet 7 inches tall. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that Williams left home sometime on Thursday afternoon and has not been seen or heard from since. At the time she went missing, she was wearing a black blouse, black tights, and a pair of black shoes. All attempts to contact her have failed. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Stephany Williams is being asked to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with a later report to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.